wash day today. This is my laundry. It's quite small, but we do live in an apartment. So what I do, I usually sort my clothes first up. Always sort. This is my barrel. And I sort in colours. Always in colours. So I never wash whites with blacks. We have a white load, a colour load, and a darks load, and usually when I do my washing I have 3 loads. So I do colours and darks, and I always usually check the pockets. We need to check the pockets because often people leave little things in pockets like tissues and things that might go right through your wash. So this is sorting. Give me a moment. And I make sure that anything with the underwire and the bras and things all go into little bags. So I keep them just separate when I'm sorting. Nearly at the bottom. And that's it, sorted. So with any shirts, this is a white shirt, so it would go in a white load, but I don't have a full white load today, so I'll probably do that another day. But I just usually do the collars, and I use Vanish on the collars, so I just give a little squirt and just let it soak in. And then it goes with the white pile. Doesn't matter how long you leave that on, it just gets it cleaner actually. So we're going to do a load right now, and I'm going to do towels first because I've got a load of towels. 1 full load of towels, so they'll all go in together, and then that'll be done for as long as it takes. So I happen to have a nice neat little Fisher and Paykel, which I love. I just use the recommended amount of liquid. I use liquid, and as I said, just the recommended amount, which is about half a cup in. And I like to use a little bit of fluffy, especially on towels or things, because it softens the towels and makes them nice and fresh when you give them a little go in the dryer when they come in and they're dry. So pop it on. I do every day because it gives it a good run through. I use cold water. I think most people use cold water today, and it's really all that you need with the products that are on the market. And then high revolution on the spin, set it going, and we're off and running. So that's load 1 for today's washing. Washing's finished, so we're going to unload the machine, and we will pop the towels into the basket, and we're going to take them out onto the terrace today because it's a lovely sunny day, and we're going to hang them out there.